Why do more people not use EOS? Well, that's a big question. Um, I think I have two answers there. I think first off, a lot of people just don't know about it. I'm find every week that when I mention it to someone, they haven't heard of it. I think that's one thing. I will speak specifically in our field, the disaster emergency services field. I hear too often people don't put systems, so let's talk in general, not EOS, but in systems, procedures, operating system. They think that we're just in emergency services and things move too fast and they're too chaotic and they are always different. That's what I hear a lot. And I can't tell you how many times or how often I disprove that. I think that there is a time to treat things with a sense of urgency, but most of the time you still have to have control of your company. I see people hit a ceiling and don't go anywhere just because of that. So I think those are the two best answers.